If you've been kept awake at night by snoring, or worse, someone else's, chances are you've looked into quick fix solutions like the Soothie Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece, a product that claims to stop snoring from the very first night. But is it really as effective as the company makes it sound? Or is this just another overhyped gadget? The Soothie website is packed with glowing 5-star reviews, yet when you start digging a little deeper, things don't look quite as perfect. Real feedback from sites like Trustpilot tells a very different story, with multiple customers mentioning discomfort, poor durability, and even broken pieces after just a few nights of use. Some users say the mouthpiece felt bulky and made it harder to sleep, while others reported zero improvement in their snoring. On top of that, customer service seems to be another big concern, with many people frustrated about unanswered emails and refund requests that went nowhere. The company also uses tactics like fake countdown timers and heavy discounts, making the product feel like a limited-time-only deal when in reality it's always available. And while Soothie highlights bold statistics about success rates, there's no independent verification or clinical research publicly backing up those numbers. That doesn't necessarily make the product useless, but it does raise fair questions about whether the results are as universal as the brand suggests. So, does the Soothie Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece actually work? The answer seems to depend heavily on individual experience. Some people may see benefits, while others walk away disappointed. With so many mixed reviews and questionable marketing, it might be worth exploring other options before making a purchase.